Here's my video tutorial for the chapter 1.1 to 1.3 practice quiz. So for our first two questions, it's asking you to compare with less than, greater than, or equal. It's 1 point each, but it's based off of our first notes on absolute value. That resembles this sign where it's two vertical parallel lines around a value, and it means the distance from the value inside to 0 on the number line. So if you're looking at, say, the first problem, we're talking about what is the absolute value of -7. So the absolute value of -7 is the distance from -7 to 0 on the number line. And as you can see, it just makes it positive. So it becomes +7. So I would say, what is the relationship between +7, or 3, and +7? Well, 3 is less than +7, so my answer is less than. For number 2, we already know what the absolute value of -7 is, so we're talking about the absolute value of -4. And the absolute value of -4 is +4. And what is the relationship between 4 and 7? Well, 4 is less than 7, so my answer is less than. In general, an absolute value makes any number positive. Now let's go on to problems 3 and 4. So order the following from least to greatest. Talking about absolute value making any number positive, we look for absolute value signs in our set of numbers. We have the absolute value of -4 becomes 4, and the absolute value of 3 becomes 3. I can put that on the number line. I can put all these values on number line, starting with 0, -16, which would be further than -14 in the negative direction. Absolute value of -4, which is 4, so I'll put that above 4. 8, absolute value of 3, and -5. So in order from least to greatest, we had -16, -5, 0, absolute value of 3, absolute value of -4, and 8. Now let's go on to number 4. So the absolute value of -11 is 11. The absolute value of 4 is 4. And I can put these in order from least to greatest on the number line. So I can put 9 down. Absolute value of -11 is 11. So I'll put that right above 11. -5 is right above -5. Absolute value of 4 is 4. Absolute value, or 2 is on the number line, and then -6 is on the number line. So now I can see them, what their order is on the number line. And so from least to greatest. So I start off with -6, -5, 2, absolute value of 4, 9, and absolute value of -11 as my answer. Now we're going to go on to adding integers. So solve the following, then justify using tiles or number line. They're 2 points each. So when we talk about adding integers, we're talking about a war. If it's a positive and negative number, or a negative and positive number, they're opposite signs. We're actually going to subtract and take the sign of the larger absolute value, or the larger army, we say. If it's a party, it's a positive and a positive, a negative and a negative, they're the same sign. We can add the numbers together and keep the sign. So to start off, number 5, I have +7 and -8. That's a war. They're different signs. And to show with tiles, so I'm going to show these using tiles, I would put 7 positive signs and 8 negative signs. And you can see where, if this was thought of as a war, a positive army and a negative army, these guys would kill each other off. They'd go to 0. And I'd be left with one negative left. The larger army was negative. And so my answer is -1. For number 6, I have -4 and +5. This is a war again. And I can draw out my 4 negatives and 5 positives. The negative and positive cancel each other out, or we could say kill each other off. And I'm left with 1 positive left. So I end up with +1. For number 7, it's negative and a negative, so that's a party. And so I can just draw out 12 negatives, add to it 3 more negatives, and you just add the numbers and keep the sign. So it's -15. For number 8, I have a positive and a negative. This is a war. I have 6 positive signs, 3 negative signs. They cancel each other out. I'm left with +3. Now we're going on to subtraction. So it says rewrite as addition, then solve. So I do need you to rewrite subtraction of integers as addition, then solve. So we say to subtract an integer, add its opposite. You'll see where I change it to adding in blue, and you'll see where I change it to its opposite in green. So instead of 7 minus 10, it becomes +10, it becomes 7 plus -10. So I added the opposite. And this is a war, but I can show 7 positives, 10 negatives, show where they cancel each other out. I end up with -3. For number 10, I have -9. Instead of subtracting, I add. Instead of -4, I have +4. So this is 9 negatives and 4 positives. Gives me, they cancel each other. Some of these cancel each other out, but I'm left with 5 negative signs, so -5. Number 11 changes to -5 plus -8. Now this is a party. I have 5 negatives and 8 negatives. Put those together, I get -13. And my last one, number 12, is 6 plus, instead of -6, it's +6. So it becomes 6 positives and 6 positive signs, and I end up with +12. And that's it for the practice quiz. Look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow.